Hello, all you beautiful souls, and welcome to Beyond Tarot. And today I'm going to tell you about the list of courses that I teach. And I've been getting a lot of inquiries about the courses and how they can do the courses, duration of the courses, and a lot of information people are asking me about. So I thought I'll just quickly make something here so that you get a total information of about the list of courses that I teach. So recently we have introduced the foundation course of tarot where people don't want to invest a lot of money in learning expensive courses. They basically just want to understand what is tarot. So I have designed this course, the foundation course, in which I have explained in detail about the 78 cards, and we have designed it in such a way that you understand the meanings of each card well, and you learn to remove one card every day as a guidance card. So this is basically to understand the cards and see whether you want to take one step ahead and want to learn the basic tarot. So when you learn the basic tarot, so that is another course where you will be learning still in-depth meanings of each card with color therapy, with symbols and everything. And you will be also learning some very magical spreads where you can start taking readings for clients and manage to earn a good amount of money. So, Basic Tarot is an excellent course which you can do with me. Once you feel that you want to take tarot to a next level, you want to do it professionally, and you want to give, say, about 3 to 4 hours, 5 hours every day to tarot, and you want to make clients who are who want to know more about the higher things, probably the court connections, and people who are having financial issues, business problems, people who are stuck in divorces and stuff like that. So high end readings you will be able to do with the advanced course. Of course, you will also be able to do disease predictions, and it's somewhere connected to medical tarot also. So you will be able to understand as to how, only by looking at cards, you can understand as to what health issues are going to come. You can also give astrological solutions to the problem, and for every course a certificate will be provided, and you can start your journey with me. You can practice with me on my groups, and we keep having these Zoom sessions where we invite my clients, your friends, and you can give them a picture as to how you are doing the reading. So somewhere to create that kind of audience where you know that you have to give an exam kind of a thing and you have to perform. So that gives you the confidence of doing perfect readings. So this is about tarot, and if you want to give bang on readings, then I would suggest people to do basic tarot, advanced tarot, and then also do the numerology course. So numerology is all about numbers, as you know. So from the numbers you can come to know what planets are in your favor, what planets are not supporting you, whether your name is the proper name for you, is it giving you progress in life or it's bringing you down. You can also read your, you can do the calculations of your emails. You want, if you want to see your email is the right email for you, you can do brands, you can do logos, you can see whether the people who want to do the brand thing, and they want to see whether they have chosen the right name for their brand. So you can also check that. So a lot of things in numerology can help you to understand. You can do your name correction, you can do your grids and understand whether your names for your logos, for your whether you've chosen the right house number, car number. So all those things you are going to learn in numerology. The other course that I teach is the essential oil workshop, where you learn to make amazing oils by blending different oils. say for your finances, love relationships, negativity removal. You want people to follow you, you want people to obey you. Then you will learn different types of powders like health powder and relationship powders, how to anoint them on your candles and use them in your day to day life to get more and more success, money. Relationships are improving in your life. So these are the things you're going to learn in the oil workshop. One more lovely workshop that I teach is the switch words, as to what are switch words, how you can create switch words, what are the other switch words which are universally there, how you can use them, how you can make switch phrases, how you can make energy circles, how you can make energy sandwiches, and how you can use these words, phrases in your day to day life, and how they can impact you, and how they have impacted me and brought a lot of change in my life. And the next course that I teach is the pendulum course. So how with the pendulum you can give accurate yes no answers, how you can heal people with the pendulum, how you can charge the energy of your house with the pendulum, and how the pendulum can actually give you a lot of answers that you've been looking for. So pendulum course is also a very very beautiful course. After that, I teach the abundance course, in which I try to explain to you what is abundance. It is not only money, it is not only prosperity, but it is also happiness. How you can combine everything and get a holistic approach towards your life. How you can, approach your life in a different perspective. There is a 40 days affirmation program, and how you can use that affirmation and make things more and more understandable for you, like how you have to approach life. So abundance course is also somewhere where you can put in your manifestations, and how by writing those affirmations you can achieve so much success in your life. Coming to the crystal therapy course, it's a very beautiful course where you will be learning about different types of crystals. You will also be learning about different chakras, how you can work with crystals and the color schemes, and how you can work with every chakra along with the color of the crystals, how you can form crystal grids, and how you can charge yourself, your cards and your other products, any crystal products, with the wands, and how you can charge the energy of your house, office, and your entire surroundings, and how you can make the energy of your place more enigmatic. Coming to the last workshop which I have just introduced is the spell workshop, which is my signatures workshop, and it is very close to my heart because the spells that I have learned are working magically for me, and I decided that why should I keep the secrets only with myself. So I would love to share my knowledge with you. So in this you'll be learning many spells, about 25 to 30 spells, and you can do these spells because they work very fast. So you do these spells for like 2 days, 5 days, 7 days. There are different spells for different purposes. So like a love relationship spell, or a business spell, a road opener spell, banishing spell, family happy family spell, removing blocks from your life, to develop your psychicism, to improve your relations with people, to get married. So that way there are many spells that you're going to learn, how you have to read the affirmations, how you have to connect with the cards, how you have to connect with the crystals. So different types of tarot cards are used, the placements are very important. So you can learn all this in the spells workshop. Once you start practicing on yourself, you can start doing it for your clients and make a fortune out of your life. So these are some of the courses that I offer, And if you want to inquire about any free demo session, you are most welcome to call me on 98200 and I'm also there on Instagram, Facebook. You can ping me on Beyond Tarot and I'll be right there to help you out with any of your queries. So I hope all this information has helped you and looking forward to your calls and your queries. I'm really excited. Stay tuned, be happy, and always have a smile on your face.